In the prestigious town of Paradise Valley, nestled between Scottsdale and Phoenix, amidst the majesty of the Sonoran Desert, lies a completely remodeled estate in the guard-gated community of Clearwater Hills. Elegantly positioned on a large flat lot in the valley's premier view community, its charming facade leads to a home seemingly pulled from the finest pages of a restoration hardware magazine. The entry foyer sets the tone for a modern home of impeccable style. A domed ceiling sits above marble floors and leads you into the open floor plan of the formal sitting room and dining room. The bright, sophisticated interiors display a wonderful array of stunning finishes and design, with a large fireplace anchoring the room, flanked by French doors to the rear yard. Perfect for entertaining, the large dining area is easily catered by way of glass doors to the butler's pantry and on into the gourmet chef's kitchen. This dramatic social space, which includes the family room and casual dining area, combines cutting-edge technology, uncompromising quality and lavish comfort. The kitchen, with its high exposed beam ceiling, boasts a huge centre island, gorgeous custom cabinetry, a fireplace and high-end stainless steel appliances. The family room is focused around a huge gas fireplace, and with large sliding doors allows the warm Arizona climate to flow through the house. The expansive rear yard is a private and serene environment, which offers spectacular views and endless leisure facilities, with a classic swimming pool with spa, a sports court, fire pit, putting green and rose garden. The home is complete with a wonderful library or office, and 5 bedrooms, including an exquisite master bedroom suite with contemporary bathroom and fitted closets. In one of the region's most desirable settings, this extraordinary home delivers such limitless style. The interiors may actually be as beautiful as the breathtaking natural landscape.